Customize the printer control panel for a FutureSmart 4 HP LaserJet Enterprise MFP from the EWS or embedded web server. On the home screen of the printer control panel, touch the information icon and then touch Ethernet. Write down the printer IP address or hostname, or touch the print icon. On a computer or device connected to the same network as the printer, open a web browser. And then enter the printer IP address, or enter https:// and the host name. If a message displays indicating that accessing the website is not secure, select the option to continue to the website. Accessing the EWS does not harm your computer. If the General tab does not display, sign in to the EWS using an administrator account, and then click the General tab. Click Control Panel Customization, and then click Display Settings. Select the settings that display on the printer control panel. Under Inactivity Timeout, enter or change the number of seconds the control panel stays active before timing out. Under Clearable Warnings and Continuable Events, click the drop-down list and choose your options. Click Apply to save the display settings. In the left column, click Control Panel Language and Keyboard Layouts. Select the default control panel language and keyboard layout. Select if you want to allow users to choose another language or to display an alternate keyboard button. Select your keyboard layout and virtual keyboard options, and then click Apply to save the settings.